Namaste to one and all. This is Madhuri at Science at Your Tips. Welcome back to another session. Here in this session, we are going to discuss few objective questions from our heat lesson, which is there in our 7th class science textbook. Let us start this. Here we have a few blanks. Fill in the blanks are there. True or false type of questions, and also tick the correct answers. So one by one we'll discuss. First one, blank. Heat is a form of, you know already this answer, that is energy. Second one, range of clinical thermometer is from dash to dash, 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Then third one, water is a dash conductor of heat. You can write here bad, because water can transfer the heat only by convection process, not by conduction process. Already we have learned there in the lesson. Next, fourth one, land and sea breezes help to maintain the dash of air. What is that? Temperature of air. Land and sea breezes help to maintain the temperature of air. Fifth one, transfer of heat from the sun to the earth takes place mainly through process of. Here we have three processes: conduction, convection, radiation. In these all, material is not required only in radiation process. So the heat from the sun to the earth is transferred by the process of radiation. So first blank answer, we can write it as energy. Second one, 35 to 42. Third one, bad. Fourth, temperature. Fifth one, radiation. Let us go for our true or false type of questions. So coming to true or false type of questions, heat cannot be produced by doing work. This is a wrong statement, because you know already that heat can be produced by doing some work. If any work is done, heat can be produced. So this statement is false. Second one, no gaps are left between the rails of railway tracks. We have learnt already that heat will have some physical changes and even chemical changes also. Under physical changes, we have learned that metals will expand on heating. So what is a metal used in the railway tracks? Iron. This iron is going to expand whenever temperature surrounding that increases, that is in summer season. Whenever temperature is reduced, it is going to contract. So if gaps are left, what happens? There will not be any disturbance for the trains. That is why gaps are left. But here the statement is given as no gaps are left. So this is also a false statement. Third one, poor conductors of heat are also good insulators of heat. Yes, it is correct, because plastic, if you take, it's a poor conductor of heat. Can't conduct the heat through that. Can't conduct in the sense very little amount is conducted, that is negligible amount. So we are using that as insulator, like cooker handle. Okay, for if you want to hold a bowl also, for that bowl, this what is that? Will have that plastic thing also will be there for holding there. Handle like it will be made. Okay, next. So third one, what you can write here? True. Fourth one, ventilators when provided in rooms are located near their roofs. Ventilators are situated here so that if more temperature is there in the room, that can be left out. Okay, so they are kept at the roof, that is upper part of the room. Next, not on the ceiling, near this roof. Okay, next, fifth one, a material medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of radiation. This is a false statement. We have seen already that in radiation process, any material is not required for the heat transfer, only in conduction and convection. That too, in conduction, any movement of molecules, movement of particles will not take place. But in convection method, movement of particles will take place. In radiation method, it does not require any medium. Okay. So first, second false, third, fourth true. Again, fifth one is false. because it is saying that material medium is required for the transfer of heat by the process of radiation. So this is a false statement. Let us see take the correct options. Observe this first question. They have given a copper ball at 30 degrees Celsius is put in a container containing water at 30 degrees Celsius. In this case, what happens? First of all, let us understand what is the statement given. Copper ball is there. It is having the temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. And some other container is there. In that water is there. Water has a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. We have seen already in the previous sessions, heat will transfer from a hot body to cold body, hot end to cold end. When temperature is same, why it will transfer? So that's why we can go directly for this option. What is that? Fourth option. There would be no transfer of heat between copper ball and also water. Observe the third question here. The reading of the laboratory thermometer in the given figure shown here is 10.2, minus 10, 10.8, 18. Once you observe the thermometer which is given here, the mercury is between 10 and 20. Okay, and between 10 and 20 there are 4 lines. So if you don't count 20 and 10, whatever the digit is there, that is the line is there, calibration is there, if you don't count that, remaining we have here 4 lines. So each line is representing 2 degrees Celsius. So after 10, 12, after 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay, so we can select this option, 18 degrees Celsius. Coming to third question. It is not convenient to use laboratory thermometer to measure our body temperature. This is because here you know already that laboratory thermometer will have the liquid. It will not have any kink there. So that's why what happens? The mercury is going to fall down. If you are using this thermometer to see the temperature of a human body, immediately if you are taking out from the mouth of the person, then what happens? Again it is going to fall down. If you are using this in the laboratories, what happens? You are going to put it in the chemical and will observe what is the temperature. We will not take it out. Okay, so that's why we can select this second option. As the temperature is, as the thermometer is taken out from the mouth, the level of the mercury in the thermometer immediately starts falling. Coming to fourth question. When we hold our hands close to the side of a flame, they get warmed up mainly due to. Here in this one, what happens? Between the flame and hands, there is no material medium. Material medium is not there, then also heat is transferred. So this method of heat transfer, we can say this as a radiation process. Okay. Coming to fifth question. The freezer compartment in the refrigerator is usually put near its top. This provides good cooling throughout the refrigerator through. Here actually what happens in the refrigerators will have the freezer compartment. We'll say deep freezer, no? So that will be there at the top. This is because here convection currents should be set. Setting up of convection currents in the air inside the refrigerator. So due to this only, freezer compartment in the refrigerator is usually put near the top. Okay. In the next session we are going to discuss the question answers, short and also long answers. I'll explain the answers for you all. Wait for the next session, children.